Shirring is a great way to update a shirt that adds texture and shape to a garment. Hi, I'm Danielle Amato. In this video, I'll show you how to add shirring to a garment using the border guide foot on the Skyline S7. Attaching the border guide foot will ensure that our rows of shirring are evenly spaced. Before you begin shirring, hand wind the elastic thread onto your bobbin. You should apply slight tension, but not too much. There will be regular thread in the needle, and the elastic thread bobbin will be inserted as usual. You want to sew a straight stitch with a longer stitch length, such as 3 to 4. With the right side of the fabric face up, begin to sew a straight stitch around your garment. Be sure to lock your stitches. Continue to sew rows of shirring next to the previous. Shirring rows are typically a ½ inch apart. Sew as many rows as desired. Thanks so much for watching.